The working plan, that is the blueprints, are ready. Check. The costing and estimation of the project also has been done. Check. The selection of the fundi, the contractor, also has been done well. Check. You are basically ready to go. You're ready to start your project. So you think, viewers, this is Gen Z today. Welcome to this new video where we want to discuss the 7 hidden costs when you're building your house. Welcome. The number 1 hidden cost is a site house, and sometimes doubles up also as the site store. This is where the workers will be spending the nights or operating from. This is also the place where you'll be storing the materials. Most of the time, we normally forget about it, and at times even we don't know who is going to build it. Is it the contractor or is it the client who's going to take the cost of this very important structure? The number 2 hidden cost is the setting out materials. These are basically the materials for setting out the building. Normally, we have timber, we have string, we have white chalk, nails, and some small assorted materials here and there that should enable us to set out the house. This is another element of the costing that is normally forgotten until the last day when you're just about to set the house. The number 3 hidden cost is the construction water tank. Most of the time, most of the places, in our country, we don't have, or rather, we are not connected to the county water system. So you'll find that either you're using rainwater, or you're using a river nearby, or maybe even a lake, and worst case scenario, then you can hire services of water boozers to be bringing you the water to your site. So this is basically an element that normally is forgotten. So you have a tank that can store in water so that you can use it on a daily basis. Number 4 is the water itself, as I've already discussed. This is also a very expensive element of the budget, because it's the same water that we use for building, the same water that we are using for curing the walls, and in most cases, like when you're doing the casting, we use a lot of water in casting the ground floor. Like, if you're doing a suspended floor of maybe a 3-bedroom mansion, you may end up using even 10,000 liters of water. This water has to be bought from somewhere. So this cost also normally must be factored in the construction. Then number 5, we have the toilet and the bathroom. These are external amenities that normally are used by the workers on site, and as you know, it's actually a regulation. It's a legal requirement by our country that you must have a toilet in your compound or in your site. And if you have workers who also will be spending on site there, then you also must give them also a bathroom where they can be washing themselves and doing any other cleaning there. Then the number 6 is electricity. Electricity is one hidden cost that normally, is never really, factored in. Yet you need to secure the site at night. You need electricity at night, so you can either do solar, which is also costly, or you can even do the main grid, Kenya Power. Connect your home to the main grid, that is Kenya Power. And depending on where the last pole is, that thing can cost even as high as 1 million. The last hidden cost That is number 7. Is the tools and equipments to be used in the construction. These are items like wheelbarrows, spades, mattocks, and many more small tools. This is one area that normally the client will assume that the contractor is the one who's going to take care of them. Maybe he'll come with used ones or he'll buy. And the contractor also normally assumes that the client will buy those items to be used for the construction. So it's one area that needs also to be discussed so that you also don't get inconvenience when you're just about to start the construction. Discuss it early enough. So you see, these are very important factors that normally you forget when you're discussing the initial stage of the construction, whereby we deal with the big stuff, like how much in the house cost, who will construct the house for me, are the plans ready? Then we gather all those people, we gather all those details and the cost and sum them up together, only to realize that when you're about to start the construction, that there are other elements that are also we've forgotten. So this is just to enlighten you that it's important that, hey, take note of that. Otherwise, thank you very much. Remember, subscribe to the channel, like, and hit that notification button so that when we release a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. Otherwise, thank you.